Oracle's Primavera P6 project management software allows projects to be planned and monitored quickly and easily. Its powerful scheduling engine will calculate the critical path of a single project or a group of interrelated projects and will allow you to visualize data in an activity table and also a customizable Gantt chart. Save baselines and display them in the Gantt chart. This means you can track your project performance versus what was planned. Use filters to create different views like look-aheads, work to be performed by a certain contractor, changes to scope, work in a certain phase, and more. For larger projects, view your critical path and keep an eye on those activities that drive your project's finish date. P6 also provides you with the ability to track manpower and activity costs for billing and forecasting. Primavera P6 is a single source for all of your project information. It is used by project teams to stay on top of critical project details, allowing them to manage their projects efficiently, keeping projects on track for on-time and budget delivery. If you have questions or are you interested in buying Primavera P6, please contact the Global PM representative at 985-781-9190 or globalpm.com.